Hey there, heathens. Check this out. Got a package in the mail from Eric Von Dudsworth. You might have seen his channel, Duddies Adventures. He sent us a package. And he texted me the past couple days, kind of, wondering if it's showing up. And he stressed that he wanted it filmed and opened, not by myself. So we're gonna head down to HQ and see if Jeremy's around. And J-Bo usually stops there right away after work, so yeah, it's 6 o'clock right now. So let's get down to HQ and get this bad boy opened. J-Bo.
Yeah.
Tyler.
How's it going?
Jeremy. We're still waiting on Jeremy. We've been waiting around for Jeremy for about
half hour.
Yeah, half hour, a little more.
We're done waiting.
Yeah, so we'll can his reaction to this.
Just dub it in.
Yeah. So what we got here is a package from Mexico.
It's from Texas.
It's from whatever,
Don't
Texas.
You're screwing up. You know how many millennials you're messing up by
Right.
saying that
Texas was in the United States.
Do you want to open it?
Ty can open it. Mm-hmm. Who's it from, Blake?
Sharpen
It's
this
from-
knife.
So this package is from Eric Von Dudman III from Duddies Adventures, and I have no idea what it is.
Jeez, I might lose a finger doing this.
Be careful.
Where's Jeremy?
Ooh.
He's already missing a finger. I think you got me the dullest
What the
knife
hell
because
is with that knife?
It looked like intimidating. You'd think it'd
Wait.
work good.
It's not.
You're an old package opener, aren't
Handler.
you? Right?
yeah, I used to open them all the time when I was at the post office, see what's in them. And
Oh, yeah, I know exactly.
There goes your pension.
All right, should we wait
Right.
for it? Five more minutes? Oh, there's a note.
Ooh, what is it?
A note.
Can you make this any smaller, Duddy? For real. Okay, I'm
where's
gonna
the
look at
magnifying
it.
glass?
Bad Tree Productions. BTP crew has been hit hard in recent history. J-Bo, rusted, clapped out Dodge truck, bolts that require 20 feet of iron motivator to remove. It was 10, it was half, that was 10 foot. Jeremy, lifters that cover your camshaft in more glitter than a strip club.
Oh,
Blake, third-degree foot burns due to burnouts in flip-flops. Yeah. Ty showing up on another YouTube channel, only to lose out a 1907 quarter. The Clayton County History Hound, expertly detected. Damn it, Tybo! Times are tough, but don't worry. Duddies Adventures here to send much-needed aid from Texas. Included in this care package is handheld portable fuel for the Nacho Camaro. I don't know what any of that means.
No.
Spicy motivation fuel for the triple pickle. That's those. Because it's 3 shades of, well, it's like 4 or 5 shades of green.
Yeah.
It's like all brown to Jeremy, though.
Yes. All brown.
The means to properly test and tune the BTP fleet in Mexico. Use these items wisely. Sincerely, Duddy. That's it. Then there's a big Cuban flag or whatever. That's like...
nacho cheese for the
Flavored tortilla chips. Nice. There you go.
Bag. Starving. Oh,
He used them like bubble wrap.
heave.
Oh, what do we got here? Oh,
Oh no. Pickles? So we got pickles for the dart.
Ooh, cool.
Uh-huh. Nachos for the nacho cuda. Uh-huh. Lots of nachos. How are they, Jay?
I really like them.
They got a little kick to them.
Yeah?
Just like a little.
HEB nacho cheese flavored tortilla chips. And then something in Texan I can't read.
What's in this, though?
Let me see.
I was talking to Duddy about this. This is the Draggy.
Oh!
You put this in the car, and it links with your phone.
Right,
You can go anywhere you want and throw down quarter-mile times
Oh,
with
there
it.
we go.
And it records what your camera on your phone sees. So it'll show launch, and it'll show your reaction time. All you know, you can.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah,
Well,
Yeah.
thanks, Duddy.
that's cool.
Damn,
We're using it tomorrow.
that's awesome.
Thanks.
We get to see how fast the cornet is. We get to see how fast the nacho is.
You bet.
We get to see how fast the duster is. Well, we already know that.
See how
That's
fast
cool.
Nikki's Magnum
There's
is.
a
Yeah.
Magnum.
Right on.
The van, well, we know that. The truck. Tyler's girly man car.
I might like those.
Eat one.
Crack it open.
You gotta chill them first.
Pickle me.
Draggy will automatically capture all performance metrics. Go and enjoy. Yeah.
All right.
It does all the stuff, man. Connects to satellite, Sputnik. You can do the blue fang thing with it, with your phone for linking it.
Peel it out. Where does that? What do you? Does that plug into your? Nothing.
It's just
Plug
got
into
a
a USB.
charger. Yeah, you plug it into your lighter, USB port.
Okay.
This sits on the dash of your car. It links with your phone.
Oh, okay.
It's saying hi to Sputnik and all that other stuff up in space,
Right,
or
okay.
you know, inside the dome.
Right.
If you're a flat earther. Anyway, so
right.
yeah, this is a really cool piece of tech. I think it'd be something that we were talking about if other people have Draggy or some other way to record their quarter-mile time. We should have an online YouTube drag race on back roads in Mexico. And see if you can best Jay's Draggy
Mexico
time.
versus Canada.
That's an interesting
Oh,
idea.
There's a Magnum.
Shit.
So, put it all back. Put it all back in the box. Put the box upside
Hurry up,
down.
Blake.
Hurry, Blake. What the fuck are you doing?
You're going too slow.
Quick,
He's
quick.
here already.
Pickles.
Just fuck the pickles for fuck's sake.
doesn't go like that.
Quick, quick. Just stick it in the box. Put the box upside down. Hand him the knife. Action.
He's here.
Finally here. Oh my god.
Get that goddamn camera out of my face.
Peel that.
Package from Dudman. We've been waiting for
Hang
you
on,
to
let me
open it up.
get
Hurry.
This open. Oh,
Oh no.
people.
It's been a day.
Okay, it's past my bedtime.
First of all, that's not a knife. This is a knife. Why do I gotta do this?
Because
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Sounds broken. Oh, you guys already. Fine, I won't look.
Don't
Just pick up the box.
just pick the box up. You're done.
Careful though.
This is 11.
I'll read this out loud for Jeremy.
What's going on here,
Oh.
Jerry?
Bad Tree Production. BTP crew has been hit hard in recent history. J-Bo, rusted, clapped out Dodge truck bolts that require 20 foot of iron motivator removed. Jeremy, lifters that cover your camshaft and more glitter than strip club.
Oh,
Blake, 3rd degree foot burns due to burnouts and flip flops.
3rd degree
Ty showing up on other YouTube channels, only to lose out on a 1907 quarter that Clayton County history hound expertly detected. Damn it, Tybo. Times are tough, but don't worry. Duddies Adventure is here to send much needed aid from Texas. Included in this package is handheld portable fuel for the Nacho Camaro. That's the bags of nachos.
I get
Number
it.
2, spicy motivation fuel for the triple pickle. Pickles. This means
This is.
the means to properly test and tune the BTP fleet in Mexico. Use these items wisely. Sincerely, Duddy.
This.
I appreciate all the support. Psst. Tell Jeremy to pick a fucking camera up on the next build.
I'm calling you out.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Hard to trigger with them other fingers, but
I can send more spicy motivation fuel if needed.
Sorry, Duddy. Is this the one the Hayabusa O'Reilly guy has?
Must be.
Because if that's the same one, it's like it'll go to a database so we can look up who's got the fastest quarter in Iowa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Because
okay.
he was showing me on his phone, he was like, so here's my best 0 to 60, and it's the fastest one in Wisconsin is a Hellcat at like 2 seconds or something, or 2.5.
It's cool.
That is cool.
I was talking to him on the phone about it.
That's
Now,
cool.
like, I downloaded the app, but I don't have the damn thing. So he's a sneaky listener. We knew what we wanted. We don't have to go to Tri-State anymore.
Mm-hmm. Right.
time slips are pretty fucking cool though.
Yeah, they are.
But PS, not pss.
That's all I said. We already read it. This is the second time we read it. And
Jay was falling asleep on the stool over there because he had to run winder or some shit at 3 a.m.
Oh,
or
shut
whatever
your
storm it
ass.
was.
Oh man, that's a bummer.
Wow.
I worked at the cafe all day. But
I seen you busting your
Yeah.
chops today. Jesus.
Oh yeah, I seen that Snapchat
That was
too.
a
I've
dish
never
bitch.
seen dishes that clean in my life.
I was, it's all elbow grease basically.
Yeah, to get the
No, it's
grease
a
off
little
the
bit.
plates.
I mean, if you, yeah, whatever. But
I scrub every plate before it goes through that washing machine.
oh, I do too.
I don't want
It's not that hard.
to get one of my dishes sent back into the kitchen
One of my dishes.
because the cook's food's still on it from when they cook something.
All right, I'm saying night night.
Good night, Jay.
Night night.
No, yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
Gotta go.
Night, Jay.
See you guys. Thanks, Duddy.
Well,
Thanks, Duddy.
well, this could probably be this could probably be its own sode.
Yeah.
Duddy's package gets
Ah!
blown all over Jeremy's hood.
BTP handles Duddy's package. Explodes on hood of crew cab. Ew.
These
I think-
they're gonna be good.
What are
Yeah,
these?
crack them open.
Oh,
We gotta
nice.
try a
Whole-
pickle for
whole
Duddy.
spiced Polish style.
Those chips are good.
Made with sea salt.
Hell yeah.
And they got garlic and hot peppers in there, it looks like.
I like spicy.
Oh, you can feel the heat right through the lens.
Oh, what are you doing? Doing a hotsy? Right
You're
off
not a Texan.
right off the hit.
Oh, good.
Good.
Yeah, I don't know.
Is the pickle not
What?
spicy?
Not happening?
Do Texans not have good taste buds? Where everything's just hot?
Jalapenos?
I want a pickle.
Would be hot peppers from Texas?
Grab me a pickle.
Turn the camera off. I gotta give her a pickle.
Yeah, take them pickles home with you, Tyler, and spice them up a little bit more, would you? Thanks, Duddy.
Duddy's the best.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
What's the blue? Oh,
Good job, Duddy.
I see it now.
He probably thought us Canadian
takes.
folks couldn't handle this.
So,
He called into the company and said, hey, can you knock it down a few notches? Those guys up north can't handle the heat.
well, heathens, Jeremy loves you,
Yeah, I do.
the masses.
Like, share, subscribe, comment, Good, bad, ugly.
Mm-hmm.
Go click over to Duddy.
Mm-hmm.
All y'all. How many subscribers are you up to now?
He's like around 700, I think.
Come on.
600. Those numbers are rookie numbers.
Do
Those
your
gotta get
fucking
pumped.
job, heathens. I want to see Duddy at 1,000 subscribers in 3 weeks.
I agree.
300 subscribers a week.
Yeah. Help him out. The guy, he really
Can we
works
do
his
it?
ass off. He's got good content. I think.
You know what? I'll even
I
start
think
by
they can do
subscribing myself. There's one.
Yeah. He only needs like 300 more. So get the job done. Do the work. Punch it in. Duddies Adventures.
It costs nothing.
It's $0.
Do it. Come on. 3
Subscribe.
weeks. Let's see it.
Subscribe, and he might send you.
A bag
Some
of chips.
chips.
Yeah, a bag of chips.
All right. Later, buddy Duddy. Okay.
Not enough yet again.
Yeah. Well, that was slower, Jeremy.
Oh no. My launch is terrible. That was like a 3 grand.
60. Fuji.